Good morning to all of you. I am Dr. P. Valarmadi, Professor from Savita Engineering College, Chennai. Now I am going to show my capstone project. This is my Zinomia URL, valarmadi77.zinomia.com. I have created cloud computing course. This is the login page. This is a dashboard of cloud computing course. As per the capstone project requirement, I have posted all the modules, announcements, activities, etc. First announcements, then introductory module. Under introductory module, course outcome, program outcome mapping, timetable and contact hours, syllabus of my course, course plan and previous year question papers I have posted. Coming to course materials like PPTs and other Word documents I have posted. Coming to activities, quiz 1, assignment 1 and assessment 1. Under self-recorded videos, I self-recorded videos on virtualization structures and parallel and distributed computing I have uploaded. Live class videos also I have uploaded. This is other video links for the course. Then discussion, there are two discussions. One is a forum discussion, second one is a chat session. Then feedback about my course. Then testimonials, my student testimonials I have uploaded. Finally, reflections on online teaching, my observations on online teaching. I will explain one by one. Then announcement page, this is a sample announcement I have posted. Then introductory module, course outline, that is COs, VOs mapping. Here I have 5 COs and 12 POs. This is the course I had taken for final year CS and IT students. There is no pre-request for this course. There are 5 course outcomes. Each course outcome I have specified the Bloom's taxonomy level also. 12 POs. This is how the COs are mapped with POs. Strong, medium and low mapping. CO1 to CO5. All 5 COs are mapping with almost up to PO5. Only CO4 and CO5 so additionally mapping with PO11 and PO12. CO5 and PO1 is strongly mapped and CO3 and PO1 is strongly mapped. Next, timetable and contact hours. Weekly I have 6 hours for my class. Tuesday 2 hours, Thursday 2 hours and Saturday 2 hours. Totally 6 hours. My contact hours, meeting hours via the Google Meet platform is on Thursday 8 to 10 a.m. This is my syllabus of my course Cloud Computing. There are 5 units with objectives and outcomes. Next, coming to course plan. For first unit I have put the course plan, the topic, duration, activity, which mode, either live mode or recorded mode. It includes assignments, discussion, then at assessment 1. To analyze the performance of the students, I have posted assessment 1. My course plan includes all video presentation, discussions, interaction section, assignments and assessments. Previous year question papers I have posted for sample question paper. This is the last year question paper, 2019 question paper. Part A 10 questions, Part B 5 questions. Part C is application oriented question, 1 question with course outcome and knowledge level. Coming to course materials, PPTs I have uploaded and Word documents I have uploaded. Now I am opening the parallel architecture PPT. This PPT explains hardware architecture of parallel and distributed computing. Coming to activities, quiz 1. For my all 5 students, they have finished the quiz. The grade also is displayed here. Quiz grades. Next, assignment 1. All my 5 students submitted the assignment. Now we can see the assignments of my students. I have graded assignments also for all 5 students. Next, assessment 1. All 5 students, they have submitted their assessments. I have put grade also for all 5 students. Nesika, she got 85. Nishandini, she got 86. Next, coming to self-recorded videos, I have opened the virtualization structures now. This is a video I have published in YouTube.
All of you. Today we are going to discuss about virtualization structures. All of you are aware about what is operating. It's an important term for system. We will install the guest operating system into our real host system. So we need the Hyper-V. All guest operating system. Next one is you see the diagram here, you can easily understand.
Next, live class video. Now I am opening the parallel and distributed live class. Elements of computing, right? So we need the system software. It's nothing but compilers and operating system. So anybody tell me what is my compilers? Anyone? I have included the interactions also in my class. What is my compiler? Yes? What is
compiler? It translates the program into machine code.
Very good. This is the live class with the interactions. Next, other video links. So these other video links I have posted.
इस वीडियो में देखेंगे डिफरेंट क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग.
Next, coming to discussion. This is a discussion forum named as Discussion on Cloud Computing. 3 replies for this discussion. You see the replies on the discussion forum. Next one is a doubt session via chat mode. Now you can see the chat sessions. See the session, chat session. This is a chat session I have made. Next, coming to feedback. I have posted 3 questions on the feedback. For all the 3 questions, the students, my 5 students, they have sent the feedback about my class. Very clear about the topic, parallel computing and distributed computing. The presentation was precise and clear. Like that, they have given the feedback. Next, testimonials. Students' assessment papers. The scanned copy of my students' answer scripts. This is a sample testimonial. It's coming to reflections on online teaching. What are the observations on online teaching? So this is my reflections on online teaching. What are the strategies on online teaching? What are the advantages of online teaching? And what are the challenges in online teaching I have shown here. Now I am going to show my student grade of my course. Assignment 1, this is quiz 1, this is assessment 1. You see here, for assignment 1, the average grade is 96 out of 100. For quiz 1, 10 out of 10. Then for assessment 1, 85.6 out of 100. This is my students' overall grade for assignments, quiz and assessment. So thank you very much. I thank the IUCE for giving this wonderful opportunity. I have learned lot of things from this IUCE online course. Thank you once again. Thank you.